Collection carries like lehenga, saris, kurtis, long gown dresses, kids collection I have, and the dresses for boys, and I have men's dresses also, and we have the cotton kurtis, silk kurtis, georgette kurtis. So we have everything and jewelry also. So you can we are doing small tour. So look at our dresses. I will explain. These are the chaniya cholis I have. This is a beautiful lehenga matching to that blouse, and there is a dupatta. This is a dupatta for the lehenga. It is silk and very beautiful lehenga. See the designs, everything. They are so good. So I can show you how it will look good on the lehenga. You can see how it's looking perfect. This is a kid's clothes. This is a lehenga for 3 years old girl. It has a dupatta, it has a lehenga blouse. Then this is another dress, same lehenga blouse chunni. And for bigger girls also we have the lehenga. So we have very beautiful combination of lehenga and long gown dresses for girls. You can see in the video, and all the colors are there. Then we have the chudidar for ladies with the kurtis. With the bottom, matching beautiful bottom, and chunni. And a very beautiful dupatta going with that. You can see. And these are cotton with the embroidery mirror. With a Banarasi material, you are seeing like very beautiful embroidery. This lehenga is like skirt in American language we can say, and it has a very beautiful blouse with embroidery on this. And then there is a dupatta, which we can call like a scarf in India American language, and it has a embroidery, and it looks very beautiful. And see,
So what is that tassel?
that they keep to decorate more. Yeah,
It's a dory, and we have similar designs like this. And this is the traditional Maharashtrian nut, which is nose pin, and this is inspired with the nut design, which is like nose pin design. So it's like Mangal Sutra and nut two in one. We have like many of these in Anjali collections.
the boys dresses also, and this is a jacket in beautiful what color is this?
This
It
is a light peach blush
Yeah.
color.
Yeah, it is very beautiful light peach color, and it has a dhoti. Dhoti means it is a dhoti shaped pant, and this is like Indian men's dresses, dress like dhoti.
Like a
We call-
traditional dress, which is a drape. So, but if you don't want to wear a draping thing, you can get it a ready-made for kids because it's hard for the kids to handle the dhoti. So this is a ready-made pant, but in the style of a dhoti.
This is also another style of dhoti.
Mhm.
It is a ready-made dhoti. For kids it is very easy, and the material is a silk, and the prices are ranging from $50, and I have in sizes for newborn baby to up to 2 years kid.
Okay. So is it this material safe for kids to wear because it's a little fancy fabric?
Yeah, it is very safe and it is very soft. Kids will enjoy the wearing.
Wearing them, and it's more
Yeah.
like a festive look for them.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anjali.
These are the dresses, men's dresses for teenager kids, and it has a very beautiful embroidery. You see, this is a jacket. This is a three-piece set, and it has a very beautiful jacket. It has a pant. Pants are in cotton.
They're more like pajamas.
Pajama, yeah, it's a pajama pant, and then this is a
The shirt underneath that goes
underneath that jacket.
jacket.
Means
Okay.
that jacket gives more show to this simple cotton shirt.
So what is this fabric?
It is a cotton.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a cotton, and the pant is also cotton. Jacket is a silk, and it has a lining inside with the cotton. So even if it is a design, there is a design embroidery, this will not itch. It is very soft from
Okay.
inside to wear.
So we can wear like this dress in two different ways. If we don't
Yeah.
want to be festive, we can do not wear the jacket and wear this kurta only with
Yeah,
the pajamas.
yeah, you can do
Or if
that,
you
yeah.
want it like more festive, you can wear the jacket on it.
Jacket, yeah, two
Okay.
in one, yeah, exactly.
So this is the all collection Anjali collection has. If you want to place an order, I will definitely add their details and you can contact them. They have very good material, very reasonable prices. And this video, the reason of this video is to promote more of our small businesses. She worked really hard. She have good material and you will not regret ordering from her. And she has a very nice personality, very flexible timing, and they work according to your schedule. That is the best part of promoting your business. They have some casual clothes, the kurtis in cotton and other material. She has most of the Indian traditional clothes, but she also have some skirts which can be used in some other events which are not typically Indian, but you have a lot of collection here. So here we have Anjali again with another kurta.
This is my men's collections. These are the kurtas, like shirt, and it has a pant. They are cotton made with the beautiful embroidery, and all sizes I have. This is a pant. That is also, it is a chudidar pant. It has a narrow bottom, it's a chudidar. When there is a narrow bottom, it's called chudidar pant, and it is a cotton. And I have different colors, and this comes in silk also. I have this in cotton, but this dress can come in silk. Blouse or like a crop blouse, right? Crop top. And they have beautiful embroidery, and they are ready made. So if you have the sari, you can wear this on the sari, and even you can wear on the skirts also, lehenga. They are have full stitch, and price of these are like $10. They are very low prices. They are in the clearance, so you can see.
So you can mix and match also, like you have pre-stitched these, so if someone wants to just mix and match with their old dresses or saris,
Yeah,
they
like
can
that.
contact
do
you.
that. Yeah.
Like with this skirt?
It goes really well with the plain skirt like this, and all you have to do is like either pair it like this, or just you can even add a dupatta for this one.
Okay, and you can, if you don't want that, you can either wear it like that.
Yeah.
Yes, just like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So guys, they have really good options. They have tons of availability
Blouses.
here in sizes and colors. You can contact them and ask. They also ship. You have to pay for the shipment, but they have really good variety of stuff.
Some designs we order them from India. We will tell our supplier to make the dress like that, and then they will make, and according to size also, colors, whatever customer wants, they will make that way and they will send us. So we do customization of dresses according to customer's choice. So this dress is like that. We have very party wear or for the marriage dresses, and this is the full dress with the chunni, and it has a beautiful skirt with a very beautiful embroidery. You can see heavy embroidery on the skirt, and that gives more beautiful look to that dress. Here types of dresses you can see. All dresses are three-piece dresses, and they comes with the pant, skirt, and the dupatta. This is a long gown type dress. It comes with the pant, dupatta, and top. These are the plazo dresses. These have the plazo top. Plazo means pant, and dupatta. There are three colors. This is dupatta, long gown dress. With a chunni, it has a very beautiful skirt. See the combination, and it is a silk material, and we have different colors in that. Actually we have like 50 dresses, or we have sold them lot, and they are like party wear, and ladies prefer to buy these. They are very comfortable to wear, and prices are reasonable. It's very traditional Indian sari. It is a fully pure silk material, 100% silk material. And this sari is called a Paithani sari. And why it is called Paithani sari? Because even the embroidery is with the peacock, it is called a Paithani sari. And you will see, and these are handloom. All this embroidery is made by hand, and you see very beautiful peacock weddings, party. And it has a blouse comes matching. The blouses are fully stitched. See, look, the sari, peacock, handloom sari with beautiful combination of white and green. This is a blouse. Blouse is not stitched, but we can stitch. So this, and we can show also how to wear the sari. We can demo that also when you are buying. We have different types of saris with the blouse stitch, and because now we don't have that much time, so we are showing you the saris in detail, in short. But if you have question, you can ask us, and we give all detailed information of the material of the sari, designs of the sari, everything. These are cotton handloom saris, and I have 5 colors in this. You can see all the colors are beautiful. These are like, if you want cheap saris, not very expensive, these are $35 saris. They are also very good in quality color.
Maybe who's trying to learn how to wear a sari, they can start with that sari.
Yeah, and these are very lightweight saris, very easy to wear. If you are wearing the sari first time, this is a good sari to wear and try. And we will help you how to wear, and blouse are also stitched, so you don't have to worry about that matching blouses. This is a presentation of Indian jewelry which we have. This is very traditional Indian jewelry which goes on sari, and it goes on Paithani sari. It is always for tradition that whenever you are wearing Paithani silk sari, the ladies wear this, and this jewelry goes in marriage and big parties very well. Ladies like this jewelry, and these are the Mangtika that goes on head, necklaces with the earrings, and these are also with the like choker type necklaces. These are also small necklaces, and these are oxidized necklaces, comes with the earrings.
What is oxidized? What does that mean here
This
in the
is here.
jewelry?
Oxidized means they are in the silver but not silver.
So they don't oxidize, you mean?
No, these have a blacker shade of the silver, so that's why it's called oxidized.
Oh, okay.
They are not silver. Yeah, there are different colors, and you will get all details. And I have to tell one more thing about Anjali, and you will see the phone number, address on this. And I have to mention one more thing about Anjali collections. If you order, we will ship to you, and usually we ship within couple of days. Once we get the order from customer, we try to give as early as possible. Only shipping charges you will have to pay, but we ship everything within couple of days. And we have shifted dresses in all over the US. We have shipped in California, we have done shipping in Texas, and we do that service also. So you can order and see our quality and our service. And I have to say, like, when you are coming to Anjali collection, you have to wear mask, and that is compulsory, and we do with the appointments. And because of the COVID, now we take one customer at a time. And when we ship, our policy is that the all purchases are final. You cannot return or you cannot exchange. So we do shipping of the dresses, but you have but no return policy for the shipping.
Is it only for COVID, or you do it on regular basis? Just a question.
We shipping we do regular basis, not only because of COVID.
No, return policy?
Return policy, yeah, because of the COVID, yeah.
But otherwise, are you flexible with that?
We are flexible, but the from shipping to we do exchange, but not return.
Money back.
Yeah, but shipping charges you will have to bear when you are return.